look at the use of these words. First of all, it's a lovely day. So this is what? This is a positive sentence, right? Or a positive statement, as you can say. So if it is positive, we can get this one as negative. So positive statement plus negative tag. Fine. In the similar way, this one, you haven't heard a forecast, have you? So negative statement plus positive tag. This one is positive. Now the question comes, what is a question tag? Fine, that question generally comes to your mind, not in exam. Okay, to our mind it comes. Why do we need it? We generally need this one just to add a short question. Add a short question to a statement. Fine, simply add a short question to a statement. Confirmation also you can say. For example, if the sentence is, you live near my house. Fine. Now this is using which verb? Do plus live, right? This much you also know. So the question tag will be, what will it be? Don't you? So this is once again negative statement, and this one, positive statement, and this one is negative tag.